Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World and it is the weekend. Now, I don't know if you're going to go party or not, but if you're thinking about staying in and you're just going to chill or you're just going to have a casual day, then these watch faces just might be for you. So with that being said, hold on, stay tuned, here they come. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and yes, we got some nice casual watch faces for you and they're all free for the taking, so make sure you go download right after the video. All right, so the name of the first watch face is called Glowball. Very nice, and even in the always on mode, it pretty much looks the same. But when it's on, it really stands out. Now, what would have really been nice if we were able to customize the color, but it is what it is, and considering that it's free, this is nice. So it's an analog watch face. If you look at the top, you're going to get the day, which is abbreviated, and you're going to also get the month at the top. You come over to the left-hand side, you're going to get information on your steps. You come all the way over to the right, you're going to get your battery percentage. Again, why am I always on low sale? You come down to the bottom, you're going to get your digital time in 24 hours. This is definitely a good look, but check it out, right? This one here, I wasn't expecting from a free watch face, but of course, if I tap here, I could go in and set the event on my calendar. But you tap on certain points of the watch face, and you can bring up certain features and functions of this watch face. All you got to do is tap. I got my weather here. If I tap right here, I could bring up another shortcut. This is very nice. I'm telling you, download and explore this watch face. This would be great for a casual weekend. All right, you all, let's go on and let's check out watch face number two. Now, number two is nice. To be free, this is awesome. The name of the watch face is called Eros Digital 12 hours. Now, in the always on mode, it's nothing to write home to mother about. It's going to give you what's important, which is time. Now, when you cut the watch face on, here's where it gets unbelievable that this is free, because this is truly a great looking watch face. It's an analog watch face / digital. I'm liking the look of the analog though, for the most part. You're gonna get info on your battery life. You come to the right, you're gonna be able to get your month, your year. You're gonna get your digital time, which looks nice in that little square box. Not a bad look at all. And then you come over to the dial to the left, you're gonna get info on the date. And you're also going to get the day of the week, which I thought was a good look. But if you look to the right now, that's going to be your second hand. Now, this video isn't going to do it justice. It looks a lot better in person. But to be free, this is truly an awesome looking watch face. Make sure you guys put this in your lineup. Not a bad look at all. Let's check out watch face number three. Last but not least, people, watch face number three. This one is also awesome. The whole lineup, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. These freebies are off the chain. Now, the name of this watch face is called Iris 18. This is the 24-hour watch face. It's a digital watch face at that. And in the always on mode, you're going to pretty much get the same info as you do when the watch face is turned on. It's just going to have a different look. Not a bad look at all. But when the watch face is on, very unique, very different. Digital time in 24 hours. You're going to get your day, your month, and your date. You're also going to get all your info for your exercising status. Steps down at the bottom. Battery percentage to the right. And you're also going to get your heart rate to the left. Again, this is truly not a bad look. But if I double tap in the center, I can customize the color of the watch face to whatever it is that I may be wearing for that day, or for whatever color or mood I'm in. I could cycle through the many different colors this watch face has to offer, and I'm good to go. To be free, this is truly an awesome look. Listen, you all, I hope you all enjoyed the lineup. I hope these watch faces work for you through the weekend. And if so, again, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Have fun, be safe, and party like it's 1999. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.